Alright friends, we have come polymorphic variable. So what's that? A polymorphic variable is a variable that can refer to objects or different types as long as they share a common base class or interface. I mean, a single variable can perform different behaviors depending on what object it actually refers to. So this is a key part of runtime polymorphism. Let's say we have a base class called language here. So inside the language class I have a method. So inside it I am printing this is a programming language message. And then I created a subclass. My class name is Python and I have created another. My class name is Java. As you see, the display method behaves differently. I print other outputs. Okay, so I come here inside the main function. So what's my parent class? My parent class is language. So I say language. My object name can be lang, but I'm not instantiating it. I can instantiate using by different classes. For example, I can instantiate using Python class and using Java class. So let's do that. I come here. I say lang equals to new, and then I can use Java or Python or language, the parent class I can use also. Let's use parent class. I say new languages. So inside you see I have display method. So let's print it. I print lang.display. And then I come here. I can say lang equals to. I can use my subclasses too. For example, Java or Python, I can use it. Let's use Java class. And then let's trigger display method. Alright. As you see, I call the same method with same variable name, but I'm using different class for creating an object. Okay, let's run my program. I come here, I run my program. You see, my first message is this line works here. This is a programming languages, and then right now this line works, this code works. Java is used for many enterprise applications. As you see, I use same variable, but the output is different because when I create an object, I use different classes here. I hope you understand it. Super.